morning, guys. Saving with Shay. I am back at CVS. I'm gonna try to make this video really quick. I want to start doing the $10 challenges again. We're gonna do smaller transactions, still or out of pocket, rolling our extra care bucks from transaction to transaction. That is my goal today. I have 1, 2, 3. I think I have like 4 deals just to start off because I low-key was gonna skip out on this week again because I have to drive down the hill and I don't want to be stuck in traffic. So I figured let me do this as quickly as I can. I went to the gym this morning, had to shoot home, shower, freshen up, and then come here this morning. I'm here a little later than I wanted to be. Nonetheless, we're gonna get this done. But if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Go ahead and take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash the like button and support your girl. Don't forget to ring your notification bell as well so you never miss out on videos. Without further ado, let's jump on in. All right, guys. So, we are going to start off with Covergirl. It is on a tier promotion. It's either buy 2 get 4 or buy 3 get back 7. This is our first deal that we're gonna do because it's making us the most money. All right, so for this, we're gonna be grabbing the Perfect Blend pencils down here, which are priced at $4.99. So we wanna grab 3 of them. It's gonna come to $14.97. And then again, we're gonna use 3 of these coupons from our inserts. And then we're also gonna be using a $4 off of 1 gel that we all got. All right, that's gonna bring our total down to paying $1.97 out of pocket, but then we're gonna get back 7, making us a $5.03 money maker. So that's why we're doing this deal first. All right, so we're starting our second transaction with $7 in extra care bucks, and so we're gonna do the Revlon, which is buy 2 get back 5. We're gonna get the Emery boards priced at $4.99. Okay, total for both is gonna come to $9.98, and then we're gonna be using a 5 off of 1 CRT right there that we're all getting. That's gonna bring your total down to you paying $4.98 out of pocket, and then we'll get back 5 in extra care bucks, and we're also gonna be getting back $2 on Ibotta, $1 for each of them. So it'll make them both free plus a $2.02 money maker. So our total is at $4.98 out of pocket for this deal. In order to use a $7 extra care buck, we need to spend $2 more. And so we're gonna go ahead and grab 1 more deal to add to this transaction. All right, so this next deal that we're gonna do is, of course, on the Dove body wash. Like, this is gonna be such a sweet deal. It's buy 2 get back 2. And so we're gonna grab 1 of the men, price at $8.19. And then we're gonna run down here, we're gonna grab 1 of the women, which I already have mine, which is good that I already have mine. Is priced at $8.99. So both are going to come to a total of $17.18. We're going to be using this BOGO coupon right here we just got. It has a max amount of $6.99, and that's going to glitch with the digital right there, which is also $6.99. All right, that'll bring that total down to you paying $3.20 out of pocket. But then you'll get back to an extra care bucks. We'll also get back 50 cents on Fetch Reward as well, making it only 70 cents for both of them, or 35 cents each. All right, so we're gonna do our third transaction, and we're starting off with $7 in extra care bucks. We have a 5 and we have a 2. So we're gonna do the Dove. It is, but actually, you know what? Better yet, I was gonna do them both on the same transaction and use the 7, but I'll end up paying like 3 out of pocket, like $3.24. I want to say out of pocket, and I really want a low out of pocket, so I think I'm gonna break these 2 deals up and do them both separately. So let's start off with the L'Oreal down here. It's buy 2 get back 4, and they're priced at $5.49. So 2 of them is gonna be $10.98. And then we're gonna use a 3 off of 1 printable. I just ordered a set, literally ran home and grabbed them real quick. It's gonna glitch with the $3 off of 2 digital as well. That's gonna bring that total down to you paying $4.98. You'll get back the 4. So what we're gonna do is we're going to roll the $5 extra care buck. We'll pay nothing out of pocket. We'll get back the 4, and then we'll use that for the Dove. So the Dove is buy 1 get 1 50% off, and it's also buy 2 get back 2. One of them is gonna be $5.49. The other one is gonna be $2.75, and the total is gonna come to $8.24. We're gonna use 2 of these $1.50 printables right here from Nope, it's an email coupon. I ordered mine from my Ip Fairy. I'll pop up who I got them from, and you might have a 3 off of 2 from inserts. I don't have that coupon, which is why I ordered a set. So I'll use 2 of these coupons, and that'll bring the total down to paying $5.24, and then I'll get back $2 in extra care bucks. It'll make them $1.62 each. Now my total is gonna be $5.24. I'm rolling in. I'll be rolling in $6 in extra care bucks. In order to use a 6, I need to have a filler. I can use a 6, but it'll adjust that 6 down to $5.24, and I'm gonna lose like 76 cents. So I'm gonna add a filler. I'll probably add the Arizona tea. I think those were $1. So I'll pay nothing out of pocket, or 25 cents out of pocket, and then I'll get back the 2, and then I'll just use that 2 and grab a couple more teas. And the goal with this, you guys, is to kind of roll everything the same week, same trip, starting every week off fresh. All right, so let's go check out. All right, guys, so here is my little haul. Now, again, this is 5 different transactions. The coffee was just an item that I tossed on as a 5th transaction to absorb the $2 extra care book that I got from the Dove, and I also used the $2 that I got back from Ibotta as well for that. I forgot about Fetch Reward, the 50 cents. It's not really 50 cents anyways. It's probably like 42 cents. So I didn't worry about that. All right. So my goal was to kind of recycle everything that I earned today back into deals. I walked in with no extra care bucks. I walked out with no extra care bucks. And so this worked out pretty good. All of my transactions were smooth. So the first one here was the Covergirl. Manufacturers CRT 187 out of pocket. We got back the 7 for this transaction, and then we rolled it into the second one, which was the Revlon, the Dove body wash. I threw on the Arizona teas because I needed a feeler, and I normally grab the dollar body wash, but this particular store didn't have any, so I grabbed the tea instead. There goes our BOGO off of the Dove. There goes the digital. There goes our $5 CRT on Revlon, 3 off of 10 cosmetic. And then I rolled the $7 in extra care bucks. I only paid 14 cents subtotal. And we got back 2 off of the Dove and 5 from Revlon, and then 2 on Ibotta for Revlon. All right, the other one we did was the L'Oreal. There goes $3 printable. There goes the digital. We rolled the $5 extra care book that was reduced down to $4.98. Nothing out of pocket, got back 4. And then we did the Dove. All right, 2 Dove, buy one, get 50% off. We added another Arizona tea because we didn't need a filler. Because I said that kind of weird, huh? Because we needed a filler. And so I rolled the $6 in extra care bucks. I thought it was 27 cents, and then we walked away with $2 in extra care bucks. And that I added with the coffee, and I added the $2 in for my Ibotta. So that's this one right here, $3.99, $2 extra care buck, and then $1.95 towards, or let's say for my Ibotta for the $2 that we got back for the Revlon. So all my receipts, the out of pocket was $2.30, which is awesome. Now I technically could have gone back in and tried to do more deals to absorb the $7.70 since I only spent $2.30. But I just didn't. I'll probably try to plan better next week so that I can spend the $10. But this haul here ended up costing me $2.30, which is awesome, right? Now, the difference between, you know, doing multiple transactions and just buying everything at one time is that smaller transactions are good if you don't have a lot of extra care bucks and you really want to roll them to lower your out of pocket. Now, if I would have gotten all this on one transaction, after coupons and CRTs, I would have paid $24.30 out of pocket. Yeah, I would have walked away with $22, but I would have still paid that out of pocket. And that's saying that I didn't have any extra care bucks to start with. But we did roll $22 in extra care bucks, so that's why our out of pocket was only $2.30. So that's kind of the difference between doing smaller transactions and rolling your extra care bucks versus doing one big transaction. Now, if you want to just go in there and just grab everything at one time and pay 25 bucks, then go right ahead. But I like the idea of just doing smaller transactions, again, to lower the out of pocket. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to smash that like button on the way out the door. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.